hello and welcome back to Poshcats Camping. I'm Trevor and this is Smurf, our van conversion from IH Motorhomes. It's a VW Crafter, and if you haven't seen us before, my wife's name is Sue and we're getting ready for another trip. We've only been home 4 days. If you've missed our Northwest England tour, the videos have just been released, so have a look back at that. It was a great tour. We met some lovely people. We're off this time to the south coast and we're off to another meetup. It's called HERMANFEST. Hermann hits the road. Ads and Zoe are putting on a meetup and we're going to visit them. And we've just increased our booking this morning. We're going a day early, so we're going for 3 nights instead of 2. The weather is really lovely and it's looking promising for the weekend too. We're going to be off-grid some of the time, so we're taking the Power Oak, which is currently charging. The dogs' beds are in here. Put the last minute fridge things in and then we're ready to go. It's about a 4-hour drive for us because we've got to navigate London, so we've got to go through or over the Queen Elizabeth Bridge, which is the River Thames, and then round the bottom section down to Hampshire, and we live in Suffolk. We had a bit of a dash, well, in some parts more of a crawl around the 25. That's the M25, the London Orbital Road, and down the M3. We wanted to get here in 4 or 4.5 hours. It took us about 4.5 hours, and down the A12 was a bit slow. Near Colchester there were some roadworks, and then again near Basingstoke and Fleet on the M3 we were glad we weren't going the other way around, because the one of the tunnels was closed at Dartford and there was a long queue. I bet there were an hour and a half or more waiting for that. We didn't get that, we were going clockwise. Anyway, we're here, and what a beautiful place. Very natural campsite, this one. There's no let me think, there's no toilets, no showers, there's no pegs, no pitches. You just park in the forest. It's camping in the forest. It's Roundhill. Here comes Mrs. Smith with her morning cuppa.
Third one.
Third one, is it? Well, we've got a beautiful sunny day for it, Sue. Oscar's sniffing around in the hedge.
You're playing with your
and I've just put my Power Oak solar panels out. They're getting me 90 something volts or watts. Yeah, 90 odd watts of power. I think it's 120 watts, so you're not going to get maximum out. It's a little bit hazy up there. Smurf's looking good. Came through a couple of showers, so he's got a little bit, a few spots on him from the rain, but did give him a good clean day before yesterday. Well, that's our pitch. Next to us we've got the lovely crafty camper vanners, and there's a row of vans come in last night and this morning. Fairly relaxed about the arrival time for HERMANFEST. Oh, did I mention we're at HERMANFEST? Silly me. I think it's all over the title, so you might have guessed already. But there's quite a few vans here. We're expecting this field to fill up as the day goes on. There's a beautiful twin axle caravan up the corner there. I think he's feeling a bit lonely because all the others so far, I think, have been motor caravans, i.e. motorhomes, or camper vans. Well, it's lunchtime now. We just had a bite to eat, and more vans have been arriving. Let's have a little look and see if we can see one or two that we might recognise. Now, we always have one little accident, don't we? And the first aid kit's been out, right? Guess who has had an accident? Guess who? Is it you, my dear?
It is.
Are you the one? Had a little accident,
Yeah,
have we?
badly, poorly.
Can I see your toe?
No, I just got rather clubfoot.
Nursey Sue has been in action, has she?
She has.
So
It was
what-
the first thing I said when I got back. I went, Pete, just go get Sue.
So what's happened? You had a little thorn?
I
You
did.
stepped on a thorn?
I did, and it went straight through my shoe and into my foot. Luckily, it was just by the caravan, the camper van, so I didn't have far to hobble.
Down that little alleyway there.
Yeah, so beware.
Jumped out at you. Had a lovely day, haven't we, Sue?
We have.
Yeah.
Just took Oscar for a walk. We didn't get lost.
Didn't get
We'd
lost?
be impressed.
No.
Yeah, I went for quite a long walk and then saw the road, and that was my marker. I managed to find my way back.
Yeah. Didn't need a compass or anything?
No, I didn't.
No,
Didn't get
long bit-
lost. Makes a change.
Long bit of string?
No.
No, you're fine.
Yeah.
Oh, well, while you've been,
Been
away
chatting to
walking,
people
all chatting,
all day, haven't we?
pretty much, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's almost beer o'clock, you know.
And you're gonna cook some sausages, aren't you?
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
As the weather's nice.
Yeah, yeah. And while you've been away walking the dog, look how many people have arrived now. The rally field's nearly full. Here comes Pete. Hey, right on cue there, Pete.
Hello.
Yeah. And over there's more motorhomes arrived, and we've got a few in the middle here now. Just here. And Rob and Lynn over there as well. Yeah. And then right down the end there, you might just see right down the end is Bob and Jenny Earnshaw. A right row of motorhomes here. Somebody's yet flying the Union flag. How's your foot, Kaz?
It's throbbing.
Bit sore?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Oh.
Off to the hospital.
Are you going to have a look? Somebody have a look at it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just because I've got diabetes, they say I'm a bit higher risk of infection.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Best to get it checked.
Get it checked.
Yeah. Well, here we go. Got my bangers, my spatula, my lighter, a little bit of Asda olive oil, and ready to go. Now, Kaz and Pete have just gone off to the local walk-in centre. See you later. We'll keep the beer cold. They're going off to the local clinic to see if Kaz's foot needs attention. Meanwhile, back at the paddock, this is what's happening. Not a lot. The sausages were frozen, but they're gradually defrosting on the heat. And Oscar is down here because he can smell them. Oh no, Sophie. Well, let's start the change colour. Must be doing something right. Now, there's some colour. And the trick is to keep turning them so they don't burn. I'm told. Yeah, we're doing okay. So here we are. Oscar thinks he's going to have my dinner. But one of our subscribers, I'll put the name on screen, gave us a local brew, Golden Jackal, which I'm also going to try, and here's results of mine and Sue's hard work. Sue did the salad and I did the bangers. Sue's got her motorhome hair.
I'll take a picture of my hair.
Motorhome hair. What's that you got in your hand?
This is before.
Is it?
It's called blow drying naturally.
Oh. Nice shower this morning?
Yes, lovely. Yes, the shower head is perfect.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is the Eco Camel water saving, very expensive shower head. Yes.
Yeah, so that's good.
That's good then. Yeah. So what's happening now then? What's that thing?
They're my little 12-volt carrierless straighteners.
Ah.
And they work wonders.
Yes. We've mentioned these before on a vlog, haven't we?
Yeah.
I can see two of you. One there and one there.
Mm.
Yeah.
Not good.
No. Go on in.
No, you don't have to film me doing
Oh,
it.
well, I'll do the after shot then, shall I?
Yeah, do the after shot.
Alright, see you in a minute. Somebody's found a shady spot. Well, we've come across the rally field, right in the corner, aren't we, Sue?
Yeah.
And we're going to look at this lovely little A-class 6-metre van.
Yeah.
And this was on our shortlist when we got Smurf, wasn't it?
Yes.
And I really like this one, didn't I? So we're going to have a little look. And it belongs to...
Lynn and Steve.
Lynn and Steve.
Oh,
We're
sorry,
terrible with names, aren't we?
Oh, Steve and Lynn.
Steve and Lynn. And they're right behind camera. We're going to have a little look at just a quick look at the motorhome, see if you like it as well. So here we go, look at that. Little globe bus, deathless, and it's I say, a little A-class. Who's going to take us inside?
Yeah.
Shall we go inside?
Yeah.
Come on then, Sue, you go first. And we love these. The lovely livery. A little bin in the door and a door window, look, so it's got everything, and I'm going to kick my shoes off as well.
No, you're all right.
No.
Here we go. Oh look, they've got our seat covers.
Yeah,
Eh?
the cream version.
Yeah, isn't that lovely?
Yes,
Now the
that's
thing
really-
about the
that was
A-Class
really
is you get all this
nice
lovely
feel,
space here,
And light and bright.
and light and bright.
There's drop down
Yeah.
bed
Yeah, oh yeah.
as well, look.
Yeah. Great, isn't it?
And
Yeah.
nice.
And you said you were untidy. It looks fairly
I am
tidy to me.
untidy.
Very
I like the little rabbits on the front there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Woolly bear.
Nice
You've got a
little
lovely dinette, all of,
dining area.
leather.
Oh, that is
lovely,
you
isn't
want to
it?
touch it, don't you?
yeah. And
lovely.
a nice table.
TV up here,
Does
Sue.
your table move about?
Yeah, it comes that way.
Oh,
this way.
lovely.
So you
That's
can
really
swivel it
handy.
I
around.
can move it towards, have an extra
Yeah.
piece for the kitchen area.
Brilliant. Brilliant. And then your kitchen is round here. So you've got your
Yeah, lovely
Your
deep
hob.
sink.
Yeah,
and your
I've got
drainer.
hob underneath there.
Lovely deep sink.
Yeah, lovely. Oh
Yeah,
wow, we've got
lovely.
3 burners.
Yeah, lovely.
Excellent.
Yeah, because a lot of them now have only got 2, haven't they?
They
That's
do.
good that you can cover it up as well.
Yeah.
And a little oven down there.
Yeah. And storage cupboards.
Storage
And
cupboards,
a nice.
yeah.
This is a nice big drawer.
Could
Yeah.
go, yeah.
Yeah.
And your fridge.
And
Fridge,
cupboards
freezer.
above.
Yeah.
And look, lovely big size fridge freezer. Look.
Yeah.
And
It's,
storage underneath for your pots and pans.
that's it.
No. You pull that door out. The
Oh
bottom.
yeah. Oh, is that a step?
Yeah.
Oh wow, hang on.
Pull it out.
Oh look.
So
And then
as you
stand
get
there.
older,
Yeah, you've got your step.
as you
and that
get,
little thing lifts
It
up,
lifts
does
up,
it?
yeah.
So you can store
as you-
things underneath.
Oh wow.
but we have on the bed there something
How
we
nice
found
is that?
that is just quickly comes forward and makes
Yeah.
steps easy enough for us to get up.
So you've got a little collapsible
lovely.
step.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
collapsed, so there's two,
Ah, I
two
see.
stages,
Two
so
steps in one, yeah.
it's perfect.
Great idea.
Oh, nice.
During
and
the day, of course, it's
storage
better the way we
underneath.
do
Storage
Up the
underneath,
sea,
yeah,
which
yeah,
is
good
really
cover.
good, isn't
Yeah,
it?
we did a
And,
little film with Sue
you've got
sitting
your-
on the bed with the privacy curtain
Oh,
across
yeah.
with just her legs sticking out once. And
And then you've got
that
your
was fun.
cupboards, and you've got a roof
Lovely.
light
Yeah,
above.
try
Do you want to
the
go
door
through?
there.
There's a
The
lovely
wet
little
room
bed.
door open,
Yeah.
if you like, slide
Oh,
it.
yeah, you go. There's your bed.
Lovely, isn't it?
There we go. And the wet room.
brilliant.
Wet room's just on the side here.
Really good use of space, isn't
Oh,
it?
and a nice,
Shower room by itself.
nice
Yeah.
duck board as well.
And you
good
can-
size
you can
sink.
swing the door across
Yeah.
to make
And
it
there's
into a
us.
shower cubicle.
Yeah.
Look.
And a little pop up on the top
Yeah, it's lovely.
Excellent. with the swing wall. Yeah.
And is it 6 metres?
Yeah, they're
Big
lovely, aren't they? Yeah.
type mattress, isn't it? And another roof light. So
Yeah.
lovely
Yeah, which
and
is
lovely.
handy,
Right,
yeah.
It's so
Yeah,
nice
nice.
and
So you don't
bright,
feel
isn't it?
claustrophobic in there then, do
No,
you?
it's
Yeah.
lovely.
Yeah, the seats of course won't fold in, but it comes down for
I'm
a good way.
amazed.
You know, it's
I'm amazed at the amount of
can't.
space that you have.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And that's an automatic?
Yeah,
Yeah,
automatic.
Yeah,
see, it's an
automatic,
automatic as
9
well,
I
Trent.
know. I know.
that's why I had it, because that was one of the things.
Green
on the
with
tick
envy.
list.
Fab.
How long
Yeah.
have you had it?
Just since September
September last year.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah.
you've got a little cupboard there as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you
Look, you've got a little
Bits
cupboard
and
for your
bobs.
Cupboard down there.
sweets.
Yeah.
And there, look. And a little lights around the
For my
steps.
sweetness. Yeah.
Yes, brilliant. And look,
The lovely dials and then the extra workspace. Yeah.
we forgot to mention that there's a fly screen as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah. Brilliant, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Very high spec
Yeah.
and
So much.
lovely. As I think you said right at the beginning, light and bright,
Yeah.
and that is beautiful. Really love it. Thank you
And-
so
and you've
much
got
for letting us
The
have a
nice
look,
pleated blinds all around the cab as well.
aren't they?
Yeah,
yeah.
that's a bonus. We miss having the Remus blinds.
We do
we
miss the
haven't
Remus
put that
blinds in Smurf.
Thing up, don't we?
And here's the garage, and you can go right the way through. Look, lovely big garage door, and I think folding bikes would go in there a treat, wouldn't they? And there's your gas box this side. Oh, you've got plenty of room for your bottles in there. Probably get a 13 kilogram in there, wouldn't you? Yeah, yeah. Nice big opening doors. Or your passenger's door, as I say. Yeah, passenger's door. Really was on our shortlist when we bought Smurf, and you know, you can see why. A little beauty. Well, it's another lovely morning. We've been chatting with a lot of the people on the site, and we're just going to take the dogs for a walk. And down the rally field, everybody's having a relaxing time in the beautiful sunshine. There's Bob, look, doing what he does best. A little bit of editing. Morning, Bob.
A big bit of
Well, it's almost afternoon, isn't it?
it is afternoon, yes. What
Yeah.
are you on about?
We're going for a walk. We'll see you in a little while.
Yeah, alright then.
All right.
Hermann what's it called? Hermann Scruffs.
Hermann Scruffs. Yeah, we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right then. See ya.
See you then.
What time is that?
Some lovely roadways along
What time
here.
is Herman Scruffs?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock for Hermann Scruffs. So it's lovely in the shade of the trees. We're just walking along through Roundhill. It seems that the toilet block and shower block on the site here has been demolished. Now we don't know quite why. Seems a shame because there's very few tents here this weekend and a scattering of motorhomes, because if you haven't got facilities, how on earth can you camp? And this is a sort of campsite that with a simple toilet block with the essential facilities, you could almost be while camping. Let me show you some of the places that people have camped. There's one or two that are near hedgerows, just to be shielded from the wind. You can choose your spot. You don't have to be guided by the wardens onto a pitch number. Really a refreshing change from being organised all the time. And well, let me show you. Pictures are better than words, aren't they? Well, here we are, look. There's a whole range of places to pitch around here. And all round the site you've got these little fenced off areas. This one's drinking water. And of course, being in the forest, you need the bell, just in case you see a fire. And the bell will alert the wardens and others. I have to say, I can't see any motorhomes yet, can you? I think there's one through the trees there, about 500 yards away. But very quiet up this end. There's a road through there. But we're noticing there's one or two trees fallen, and they've not been managed at all. There's a little post down here that's been fallen over. You're not supposed to camp under any of the electric cables, which is understandable. Most of the electric cables run alongside the roadway here. But there's another tree down across the footpath here, which means that we've got to take a little detour. But Sue's gone through the trees here, look. Now, one of the things that we find in the New Forest that is fascinating is the wild horses that roam around a county. They're allowed to, in the New Forest, roam freely, and they take priority to oncoming traffic. So if you're driving through the roads, you have to be very careful if you come up against a horse. It looks like they're in the lake. It's a very warm day today, and I'm trying to walk here as quickly and as carefully as I can, and they're splashing in the water. Let's go and have a look. Wow, they're beautiful, and they're really quite tame. There's one here coming towards me, look. He's within about 5 metres of me, and he's beautiful. And they're splashing about in the water, having fun. You might hear Sophie in the background. She's not allowed to come close to the horses because she'll frighten them. But this little family of wild horses are enjoying the water. It'll take a few minutes just to watch. They're loving it. And that one's laying down. And as soon as they'd arrived, they'd gone again. What a beautiful sight. This is the New Forest, Roundhill Park, and we're just going to walk over there now to where the Warden's Lodge is, at the entrance, see where it is that we came in. You may have caught it on the dash cam as we came in. Well, this is reception. There's a lot of people out on their bikes today. We're walking. So here's reception, and just talking to the warden here, and he was saying this is very much back to nature. That sort of camping has a passion for it. And down here there's a sign that points you into different camp areas. They don't allow open campfires, but let's go over here and have a look on the notice board. Well, the notice board has got all the usual sort of information sheets for things in the local area. One of the things that we did when we were here, we went to the Bewley Motor Museum. A great day out there, and I noticed the cycle hire and other things of interest. They do like you to clean up after your dogs. And we were warned on this site that the ponies and donkeys that run wild on the site are very keen to stick their head in your awning and steal your food. So it's very important that you do put anything that's edible or any rubbish securely tucked away so that the horses and wildlife can't get to it. And again, more leaflets and favourite pub walks. So we've got the Red Lion, Turf Cutters Arms, Huntsman's in Brockenhurst, Fleur de Lis, and the Red Lion Boulder. All look pretty nice to me. Just caught a glimpse of Sylvia and her dogs and a partner, one of our long-term subscribers. Lovely to meet up with people on this rally. We're just going to go to the right here at this little junction and see where it takes us. There's another signpost just up here, where the horses are, the ponies, that takes you to the HERMANFEST rally field. We're going to go in the opposite direction, over here. Sue's already made a start, and we can see there's some tents and some camping going on. We're just going to take a look over here and see what it's like up the other end of the site. There's an area here where there's no camping allowed, and I think it's quite soft over there on the hillside. But over the other side of the road here, where Sue is standing, we've got one of the many collections of recycling bins and another drinking water area. And over this end there are a few camper vans and tents scattered around. Well, we think this is where the toilet block used to be. The footings are still there, and drainage and the electric, but the huts have now gone, which is a bit of a shame, but the infrastructure is still there for another facilities block to be added at a later time, I would imagine. But there are very nice little camp spots around here. You can see that this was probably a popular little spot because of the facilities block, and there's lots of little coves here. Just here there's one where you could park your camper van and put your awning up and park your car amongst the bushes. There's quite a few through the bushes there, as you can see, that have made camp as well. Hey, look what's turned up. There's a big queue. Oh! There's the meeting of the minds. Hello, Frenchie.
Hello, Poshcats.
Are you alright then?
How are you doing?
I'm all right.
Are you in line for one of these?
I think I might get in the queue.
Diet ice cream, these.
Is it really? No
Yep.
calories?
Low fat ice cream.
Lovely.
Can't beat it.
Yeah. I'll have one of them then. Typical example here. Typical example of men talking about technology.
Yeah, but mine's small.
It always was, wasn't it? And then the ladies talking about something else. See, they stop. As soon as you approach them with the camera, they stop. Yeah.
You got a pocket, the original pocket.
Well, here we are at the annual HERMANFEST Scruffs competition, and I'm going to line myself up with Oscar. Yeah, Bob. Poppy and Tara are in. Oscar is in. You can't see him for shadows. There he is. Hey Oscar, you want to join the competition, mate?
Yeah, we'll keep him away from the other dogs.
Yeah, I'm gonna put your other lead on. Yeah. We reckon this is the sweetest little dog. Look at that. Mummy, sweetie. Some more coming over here.
I think she's going to have to win.
Yeah. Oscar doesn't like the black one. Or this one. He's not very friendly. No. Good boy. Come this way. And over here we've got the Frenchies. The Frenchies as well. Bearing in mind that I thought I'd got the grumpiest dog, I might not have the grumpiest dog either. There's a lot of noise going on. Yeah, poor old Oscar's back at the van.
Lily!
Lily's getting excited.
Calm down.
Come on, Sue. Well done, Sue.
Little Sophie's still in.
There she is.
He's been disqualified for bad behaviour.
Carrying this one.
I'm cute.
Oh, look at me, I'm sunbathing. Here comes Jenny and Bob with Tara and Poppy. Oh, so much calmness. Hey, beautiful.
These two, I don't know
Hey,
who these two are.
we don't know who these two are, do we?
Wouldn't find they're
Frenchies.
wrong. They're ugly, they're.
You're getting the commentary from me and from Mike, the Frenchies. That's alright. That's what it's about. Here we go. There's Helen. And another Poppy. Poppy's got a stick. Yeah. Yeah, two more little bit well-behaved dogs. I don't know what that's like. Well-behaved dogs. Yeah.
You're causing havoc, Cubby.
Yeah, so judges are deliberating over there in the little huddle. And Sophie's still in the game. I took Oscar back because he was getting distressed with all the different doggies sniffing him. So we took him back and he's having a little rest in the motorhome with the door open and the windows all open. He's just having a little quiet rest.
So the first one, the waggiest pal, Sue and Sophie.
Hey! So Sue and Sophie won the waggiest tail.
Well done, Sue, isn't it?
The cutest dog, and it's nothing to do with me, the scruffiest dog, Sprat.
Sprat, it's the scruffiest dog.
Best behaved dog, Helen and
Poppy.
Best behaved is Helen and Poppy.
the naughtiest dog.
So hello cutie, you're the cutest. So we've got the scruffiest, the best behaved, the waggiest tail, the noisiest, naughtiest dog, and the cutest.
Filming his food. Thank you, Fox. Having a bit of a get together last night at HERMANFEST.
Gin's good.
No one drinking your gin.
And that rocky road.
Upset the doggies.
And many others. So thank you very much for whoever did whatever. That was amazing. Didn't you?
Yes, it's lush.
So we've got bingo. Plenty more cake left. A quiz. Which one would you want first? I've got to be right close to the microphone, haven't I? Which would you like first?
Bingo. You know the answer, Anne.
Just in case it's a cheating game or something.
Yeah, if you cheat, I don't care. Quite frankly.
You have 4 numbers, Rob. You're cheating.
3 and 5, 35. Have you, Rob? Have you won? Rob?
He's not even playing.
Honestly, you've just written them down, haven't you?
That's it, everybody. Who wants to do the quiz?
Does anybody believe him? Because I don't.
No.
Definitely not.
Throw him out.
Oh, sorry, did you say that out loud?
1 and 7, 17. I'm going to try and ham it up a bit now.
Get faster.
Faster as well. Right, okay. I can't even read that. Oh, yeah. 4 and 1, 41.
The suspense.
What's that?
There's something wrong. Here, Ads, there's something wrong with your green screen.
4 and 6. 46.
You sound a bit pervy.
20.
But can't be seen. What's that then, Trev?
Well, it's always in front of you, but can't be seen.
Ah.
Number 2. What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it? What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it? Number 11 then. The person who makes it has no need of it. The person who buys it has no use for it. The person who uses it can neither see nor feel it. What is it?
Well, we're in the queue to leave HERMANFEST and we're holding everybody up, so this is going to be the quickest and fastest goodbye video. We're off to the Centenary site now, which is only 20 minutes up the road, still in the New Forest. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.